What's up YouTube? We're back again with another video. So today is actually Monday. Couldn't record yesterday for you guys, but trust me, this week it's gonna be a banger week. Right now I'm just trying to recover from my losses. You know, I'm like 4% down. I'm gonna show you guys my gold funded account dashboard to show you guys the how much we are down, and also, you know, I'll just keep you guys updated. So currently, let me just show you guys the pairs I'm looking out for this week. So come with me. So as you can see, guys, these are the pairs I'm looking out for this week: USD CHF, AUD card, Euro NZD, and GBP. Let's start with USD CHF. So to keep things very simple, I'm waiting for price to either retrace to this level here. I'll mark it for you guys. For price to retrace to this level here, and then we're gonna sell, or it retrace to this level here and then we sell. That's what I'm looking out for this week. And then we have a UD card. On AUD card, I'm simply waiting for price to come all the way to this zone, give me a bullish engulfing, and then I'm gonna buy. Also Euro NZD. On Euro NZD, I'm waiting for price to just break above the retest and then we sell. Lastly, we have GBP USD. On GBP USD, I don't think I'm really interested in this, but I'm currently waiting for price to break down below here, retest, and then we're gonna sell. That's gonna be it. So guys, as you can see, those 5 pairs are the only pairs I'm gonna looking out for this week. We have to make money this week. We just have to. I'm gonna have to try and recover from the losses that we have been taking. I think we took 2 trades yesterday. Sorry, 2 trades last week, and then both of them were losses. I actually took an extra trade on my personal account, and it was also a loss. So we have to try and make that back this week. So I'm gonna keep you guys updated if I end up taking any trades. So see you guys later.
For my dogs, all my niggas behind the fence. Dripping in it, I was spilling in a new designer gear by coast. Pay attention to the detail going.
Yo, what's up guys? So I'm currently 2:47 p.m. Still have not taken any trade. Yesterday also we never took any trade. Today also I'm just looking out for USD CHF to take a sell on it. Let me just show you guys how the chart looks like.
USD CHF, I'm still looking out to sell USD CHF from this area of interest right here. This area of interest I'm looking to sell here. So currently, let me just go to the 2 hours time frame. So on 2 hours time frame, I'm just waiting for, you can see the price has already shifted from bullish, higher, making higher highs, higher lows, higher high, higher low, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, sorry. And then we broke this low, this low. So I'm waiting for price just come all the way here, retest, and then we're gonna sell. So right now I'm just waiting for my entry signal either on the 2 hours time frame or the 4 hours time frame. Also, let me show you guys why this is a very key area of interest. As you can see, whenever we come to this area, let me show you. Whenever we are here, we sell. Whenever we are below this level, we sell. Whenever we are above, we buy. And then whenever we are above, right here, we buy, and so on and so forth. So I'm currently, we are below this level, and trend on daily time frame is bearish. We go to the 4 hours time frame. And 4 hours time frame, as you can see that we are clearly bearish. So I'm just waiting for some entry signals before we sell. Moving on to AUD card. So AUD card, I'm still waiting for price to come all the way to this level. As you can see, it has served as a level of resistance, support, resistance. So I'm just waiting for price to use this level as a support to push price up. So I'm currently waiting on that. And then we have Euro NZD. Wow, on Euro NZD, remember that the last time I showed you guys this trade, we were somewhere around here. So currently we have broken, and I'm just waiting for price to retrace all the way to this level here, and then I'm gonna buy. So GBP USD. So on GBP USD, I'm not really very excited on this pair, but I'm just looking out for price to break below this recent low right here. This low right here, because on the 4 hours time frame we are kind of bullish. So consider we'll be creating this higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. So I'm waiting for price to just shift bearish, breaking this low, retest, and then we're going to sell. Very, very simple. So I'm only looking out for USD CHF because it's quiet in our entry. I'm just waiting for an entry signal before we sell. Also, let me just update you guys also on the GFT accounts. So on our GFT dashboard, as you can see, we are currently down 3.9%, which is approximately 4%, which is $589. So I've only taken I think 4 trades on this account. Yeah, total trades is 4 win rate 0.0 because I've not taken a single win since I've passed phase 1. I've only taken 4 trades and all of them were losses and I've lost 4%. So I'm with just one trade risking 1.5%. We should be at break even. So that's why I'm not even worried or anything. So I'm just going to keep you guys updated on this GFTR, they call it, on this USD CHF trade. See you guys later.
Hey, what's up guys? So today is actually Wednesday, 2:14 p.m. and we are currently in a trade on USD CHF and also Euro CHF. I'm sure you guys. So first off, we have USD CHF. So as you can see right here, actually at some point we're almost at our stop loss, but then price, as you can see, this bearish momentum and we're currently at entry point. So I'm still holding this trade right now. And also on Euro CHF, currently on a sell and a little bit of profit. I actually just took this trade right now, but then USD CHF, I took this in the morning. So I will keep you guys updated.
Yo, good morning guys. So today is actually Thursday and I'm not going to update you guys on the trade that we have taken this week. This week has been a terrible week, also just like last week. I think I'm actually in a losing streak right now, and you know how trading is. You don't always win actually. We have losing streaks, we also have winning streaks. So currently I'm in a losing streak. So I'm gonna update you guys on the trades that we took this week. One on AUD CHF and I think it was Euro CHF also. I'm gonna update you guys on those pairs right now. And also one thing about trading is trading is not really sustainable. Generally speaking, you need to find, if you depend only on trading, you are going to suffer. Generally speaking, you're also going to be relying emotionally on trading because you don't have any other source of income. So as a trader, I really strongly advise to find another source of income, no matter how little it is outside trading. It's going to really help you mentally. So let me just update you guys on the trades right now. So first off, we have USD CHF, and as you can see right here, we're fitting stop loss. Price came to, I think we are just in maybe 2-3 pips profit, and then price just reversed all the way to our stop loss and it's still heading up. So as you can see, I think I was just wrong about the overall direction, but I was supposed to wait for, let me show you guys something. If you notice this level is a very strong level right here. It's a strong support, resistance, and I took the trade above this level and price was above this level for a sell instead of looking for a buy. So if I wanted to actually sell from this level, I was supposed to wait for price to break below this zone, retest, then wait for a bearish engulfing to then sell. This was how this trade was supposed to go, and I've learned from my mistake. So I'll make sure this does not happen again. And also have Euro CHF, as you can see right here. Also took a loss on this pair. For this week, we took 2 trades and I risked I think 0.75 per trade, this trade and also USD CHF. So overall, I think I'm down 1.6%. I'm going to show you guys the P&L on the screen. So it's not really a bad week because of our risk management. I didn't risk a lot of money on these 2 trades, so we are still okay. So currently on the account, we are down, I think 6%. I'm going to show you guys the dashboard. So our last trade for this week is gonna be on AUD card, as you can see right here. I'm currently on this trade, AUD card trade. So this is gonna be our last trade for the week. I'm also risking 1.5% on this trade. So I'm gonna keep you guys updated.
Yo, what's up guys? So currently we are on our way to go check out law school in Buhari. So here we are. I was just checking out this rock to just see, because this is actually my first time here in Abuja, so I was just checking things out. So currently we just arrived at the law school. Yeah, so currently we are on our way to go check out how the dorm is. I'm actually going to be registering this week, so I'll start going to classes July 27th of this year, obviously. So I just came to just see how things were here. This was the guy showing us the place. So this is the room right here. So this is actually a room of 2 people stay here, 2 students stay in the same room. But Yeah, so I was just checking things out. Bed, reading table, also the wardrobe. Not bad. Doesn't look terrible. Doesn't look the best, but at the same time doesn't look terrible. Also, this is the toilet. Yeah, this is how it looks. So actually, this particular room, there's nobody inside. Nobody's staying here. It's just under renovation. They're trying to like fix things up. Yeah. Yo, what's up, guys? So today is Friday and currently around 7 p.m. So it's actually been a very long day today. I did a lot of things, so I was not even looking at the chat that much. So let me just show you guys how the chat looks like right now. So as you can see on the chart, this is still an AUD card. I'll be showing you guys the P&L on screen. So right now, as you can see on this trade, we are currently in profit, but I'm still not hitting our take profit. And today is Friday, 7:50 p.m. already. So I think I'm going to be holding this trade till next week. So total P&L for this week, I don't think I can show you guys that because we have not yet closed this trade, so we can't really determine whether it's a profitable week or it's a loss. But if this trade hit take profit and our profit, we should be up around not up, but we should have recovered around 3%. Yeah, so I'll recover around 3%. So update on other pairs also on Euro CHF that we took. As you can see, this is where we actually took this trade. Let me show you guys. We took this trade somewhere around here the last time. Yeah, this was the initial setup. Just delete these ones. So this was the initial setup. So as you can see, guys, I was clearly correct about the whole direction of the market, but my entry was not really very nice. So this was an L. And also on USD CHF, same thing also. Was it this? No, USD CHF. Yeah, and also on USD CHF, my entry was somewhere around here, this level here. Somewhere around here. So price took us out, and it's going to a direction. So guys, as you can see right now, I went through my journal actually today because of all the losses. Obviously, I normally review my my trading every week. So one thing I've noticed is I'm actually 70% or 6% correct about direction most of the times, but my only problem is the entry. So right now I'm gonna have to try and work more on my entry to see to see what more I can improve on. I'm not changing my strategy. You guys should understand that. I'm not actually changing my strategy. I am just refining things, not because of the losses, but because of what I've noticed about in my trading journal. So this weekend I'm going to be backtesting a lot to just see how I can grow my entry setups. So that's going to be it for now this week. What else? So yeah, actually I wanted to update you guys on how my dashboard looks like, but the fact that we have not closed this trade, I don't think we can accurately determine the profit and loss for this week. But despite that, I'm going to be posting the P&L on the screen right here of the week, the losses that we took this week. We took 3 trades this week. 2 of them were losses, which the total loss was around 1.5%. And then this trade, we are currently up around 1.2, 1.3%. So this trade, if this trade hits EP by next week, we should recover the losses that we took this week. So that's gonna be it. But that does not mean I'm not staying in drawdown in the account. I'm still in drawdown. But slowly and surely, we should be at break even and then we pass the account. So that's gonna be it for this week. And guys, one thing I'm gonna keep talking about here is that we are gonna be as transparent as possible. I'm gonna be showing you guys the transparent side of trading, what real trading actually is. Trading is not all about all the profit that you just go online, you see people posting profits, posting payouts up and down. Trading is not always like that. There are sessions or months whereby you are going to be winning back to back, or maybe 2 wins, 1 loss here, 3 wins, 1 loss here. It's normal. And there are also times whereby your system does not work. You guys should understand that your system does not always work. I've noticed that a lot of traders do not actually know this. They think that if they get there's a perfect strategy out there that they can use and have 100% rate. It does not exist, brother. It does not exist. So one thing you just keep improving day by day. Make sure that you are following the system no matter what. So guys, please, if you're enjoying this series, I want you guys to click the subscribe button. You guys should help me grow this channel, please. So click the subscribe button, also comment and like. If you guys maybe want me to be doing something on the channel, you guys should also comment on that. And I'm gonna see you guys next week. So later.